The National Testing Agency has declared the CUET PG results 2023 in online mode. Candidates who have appeared for the exam can download the CUET PG 2023 scorecard from the official website cuet.nta.nic.in. Candidates can download the scorecard by entering their application number, date of birth, and security code in the login window. Around 195 CUET participating universities will accept admissions based on the CUET PG 2023 result. Candidates should check the complete video to know how to download the CUET PG 2023 scorecard. Steps to download CUET PG scorecard 2023. Visit the official website cuet.nta.nic.in. Click on the CUET PG 2023 result tab. It will redirect you to the CUET PG 2023 result direct link in a new page. A login window will appear after clicking on the direct link. Enter your application number, date of birth, and security code in the login window and click on the login tab. The scorecard will appear on the main screen. Candidates can download and take printout of the CUET PG 2023 scorecard for future references. For more details, click on the link available in the description box below.